In this video I will show you how to fashion your character in the TANGDAO Metaverse to create a unique look for yourself. Tap on the top left corner button of the home page. Tap on My Avatar. You can select options on how you want your avatar to look like here. Select the different tabs to see the options. Scroll down to see more. Scroll to the left to see the other tabs. You can change the avatar's hair, outfits, face, makeup and add accessories. You can drag left or right to rotate the avatar to see its different view. Tap this icon to save your avatar fashion once you are satisfied. Tap on Confirm to save. Have fun creating your own fashion for your character in TANGDAO Metaverse.